let's take the focus off weight. If you take a population and
Yeah.
whether the environment is very promoting to health or very disruptive to health, you will get a range of body shapes and sizes in that community or population.
Obesity is simply a sort of an epiphenomenon of the basic mechanics of our social order.
Yeah. Well, and not only our social order, but our desire to avoid pain by approaching pleasure. That's fundamental.
There's a social justice issue here. Why are we behaving differently to some problems than others? And when we're blaming and shaming in that way, people who are affected are shut down. They have no voice in this conversation.
If Aquinas is right, and if what we're talking about really is a form of desiring, if we were to cure manic desire, we would essentially end our society as we know it.